It's finally here, the moment myself and many others have been waiting for, the Arbitrum Airdrop. This is a very substantial airdrop and a key piece of cryptocurrency history. My name is Vosk, you're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel where we hunt airdrops and all kinds of other crazy crypto stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to claim the Arbitrum Airdrop, as well as some other airdrops that are very likely soon. And we're also going to talk about the Arbitrum token. Is it really needed? What's the price prediction look like? And really why this is poised to be not only a lucrative short-term play with airdrops, right? Long-term upside. Let's just say it's interesting. So first things first, VoskCoin subscribers getting richer, right? So just 6 days ago, I talked about how Arbitrum is going to be worth over $1 billion market cap minimum. And then the next day they released the airdrop. You would think I had inside info. Maybe I do. But on a serious note, right? We had our Arbitrum beginner's guide last year, hunting airdrops on the Arbitrum chain, unlock the future of crypto trading, which was really a GMX video that was actually a chat GPT generated title. And it didn't do all that great. So, well, there's that. But seriously though, right? Subscribe if you haven't already. Try to bring you guys value. Try to have fun. And the VoskCoin Discord server is always popping off with people hunting airdrops. Click the link down in the video description below to go to the airdrop claim location. All right, so once you're there, you connect your wallet and then you connect your MetaMask. This is my public address and it's going to switch me to the network. I mean, all this stuff is just becoming better and easier, right? So now my MetaMask wallet is connected. And if you don't know about that stuff, I don't know if you're going to be eligible for this, initial airdrop, right? But check out the beginner guide, get started, get your MetaMask set up or another Web 3.0 wallet. So obviously I wish I did more with this address. I wish I did more earlier, whatever else. But at the end of the day, 1,000 coins is 1,000 coins and I'm happy about that. And I use multiple addresses for whatever it's worth. But I like that this airdrop is pretty simple, pretty clear cut, right? It's bridged to Arbitrum, right? And it shows me that I went to Arbitrum 1, but I didn't bridge to Arbitrum Nova. I've conducted transactions during 2 distinct months. I don't know how I missed 6. Anyway, it gives you eligibility and then different tiers within that eligibility. This is a solid job as far as cryptocurrency airdrops go. And people are thrilled. Everyone's running numbers, right? What's it going to be worth? And that's part of what I talked about in the last video. You look at these numbers, pretty much set for $1 a coin or more. Arbitrum token finds its way onto OTC market before the airdrop. Cole over here has got 6 figs of ARB OTC at an average price of 98 cents. Right? And everybody's running the numbers. What are they going to be worth? I mean, Arbitrum is a more valuable optimism token as far as I'm concerned. And they dropped their OP token worth billions, right? What is the price prediction? There's threads everywhere about this, right? Max inflation, 2% a year, second mechanism, allocate community DAO airdrop, this, that, whatever. And finally, based on his calculations, he believes that the Arbitrum token will be worth $15. So let's say you got 1,000 coins and it's worth $15. That's 15 grand just for doing a couple transactions on that chain. You talk about turning time into money. Nothing is more lucrative than cryptocurrency airdrops. And I've been fortunate to hit a lot of airdrops over the years now. And it's not that much of rocket science. You pretty much just have to be there and participate. I agree with this this tweet right here, basically talking about Arbitrum 10 out of 10. It's low fees, it's super quick. I agree. Optimism, in my opinion, feels slower and is more expensive. Ethereum is slower and is more expensive. I don't like Solana, period. I don't hate Polygon as much as he does, but Polygon does have drama, right? Then we're also looking at, what's next on the horizon. ZK Sync, Starknet. We'll have to see where those go. But the Arbitrum airdrop is injecting $2 billion of liquidity into Arbitrum, okay? As it stands, the TVL, Total Value Locked, on the Arbitrum chain is $2 billion with an additional $1.64 billion of stable coins. In the last 24 hours, the volume there was over $500 million, which is more than the BNB Smart Chain, which ranks above it. It's a much lower market cap that doesn't have Binance backing. You can just ignore Tron. You can see how popular Tron is based on its 17 protocols that DeFi Llama reports here. Obviously, you know, Ethereum sits up here at the top, but we're all looking for a chain that's faster and cheaper to use because Ethereum is centralized. I mean, it's proof of stake, period. So all of these chains here are all proof of stake. They're all centralized. So we might as well use the fastest and the cheapest one, period. Sorry, maybe we should have explored proof of work and a hybrid blockchain consensus mechanism, but another day for that topic. You look at Optimism versus Arbitrum. Arbitrum is winning already by far, and they haven't even had a token in the equation yet. GMX has been leading the charge on Arbitrum, which again we've talked about, but basically they're making a ton of money and they've got a really good product, and they didn't geo-fence people out of using it because it's leverage trading, which is so refreshing as a US citizen. The fact remains is that Arbitrum, originally designed really as a layer 2 solution, optimistic roll-up scaling solution for Ethereum, has actually become the #1 Ethereum competitor and could actually, ironically, truly be the Ethereum killer. I don't really think they're going to take that direction. I think there's a lot of benefit of operating in like a synergistic manner. But again, we'll see already some big time support from Uniswap v3, Aave, Curve, Sushi, Stargate is a good bridge. I mean, this is a chain that's been doing well. You could say it's booming. This has a fire, and they are pouring so much gas and fuel on this with this airdrop. It's literally just injecting so much money into the ecosystem. It's crazy. How does this airdrop play out though? So a whopping 43% going to the Arbitrum DAO. A DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. Basically, it's a decentralized crypto company. Good news for money going to the DAO, or tokens going to the DAO, which is really money in case of cryptocurrency. It's both. 27% going to Off-Chain Labs team and Future team plus advisors. So that's a lot. 17.5% going to Off-Chain Labs investors. Wish I could have been one of those. 11.5% going to users of the Arbitrum platform via an airdrop. That's what we've been talking about. 1% going to DAOs building apps on Arbitrum via airdrop to DAO treasury addresses. To put that into perspective, right? We look at the Treasure DAO, the GMX DAO, okay? Both of these projects are getting 8 million ARBs. What everyone estimates is pretty much the bottom here of this price or this token's value at $1 a coin. That's an $8 million airdrop. That's a huge support. That's a huge just backing investment, liquidity injection, if nothing else. But let's take, I don't know, 8 million. Make sure I got enough zeros there. Let's say it hits that crazy $15 price point. All right, so look at that. We put commas right there. That's $120 million. Enjoy it. That's crazy. Obviously, we'll see. But it's not just about those two. Uniswap, SushiSwap basically getting 4.3 million. Curve getting 3.5 million. Balancer, Aave getting about 3 million. I mean, this is crazy. These projects they're good to go. They're ready to rumble. If anything, I'm just sitting here wondering, why haven't we been building on Arbitrum? I know I like the chain, but hey, builders win. And that's just the reoccurring theme. I'm super excited for all this stuff. Make sure you drop in the comments below how much Arbitrum you were eligible for in this airdrop. Or unfortunately, if you weren't, let us know down below. And if you want to see more airdrop guides, let me know, because they're not the best performing content on our channel. I thoroughly enjoy it. It's something I personally do, so naturally I make some videos about it. On VoskCoin, we chase basically earning money with crypto. Tagline is learn more, earn more, and that's true really with everything in life. And I'm building out my own cryptocurrency mining farm, but I love DeFi. I love Web 3.0 and all this crypto craziness, right? So as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, stick around, and for nothing else than for our CAO, our Chief Airdrop Officer here at the VoskCoin YouTube channel, that's gonna be Tails. I know she wears many hats, but that's because she's the smartest and the cutest.